Hello everyone, this is Srinivaslu and my teammate name is G. Sunil Kumar Reddy. We are from Andhra Pradesh state in Tirupati and we are studying bachelor degree in Sri Venkateshwara Engineering College which comes under JN2A University in Anantapur. We done a project on home automation by using IoT, which means Internet of Things. Let's come into the topic. The contents or agenda of our project is abstract of IoT, introduction of IoT, embedded program requirement application, project, design component, application, conclusion, references. Abstract. We explain this step by step. First we have to see the points. The first point is the main objective of this project to develop a home automation system using an Arduino IDE with using picsimlab and Blink IoT app. As a technology advancing, so houses are also getting smarter, which means nowadays in our house there are so many households working with internet. For example, smart TVs, smart watches, refrigerator, washing machine, and etc. etc. These are all working with internet or Wi-Fi signal, which comes under this IoT applications. And men's are advancing nowadays fastly. Come to second point. In order to achieve this, picsimlab is interfaced to Arduino IDE with the using of serial port emulator, a Blink IoT application on the cell phone sends on off commands to the where loads are connected. By touching the specified location on the Blink IoT, the load can be turned on or off remotely through this technology, which means we perform IoT by using this app, two apps. One is picsimlab and another one is Blink IoT app, which is available from our browsing or Chrome. By this technology, we perform so many applications like AC remotes. For example, we on AC by clicking on option or off the AC by using remote, which means the remote contains sensors. By the help of these sensors, we are performing on and off simply with some distance. This is the one example of the IoT. This is the main objective or main purpose of this project. Let's comes to the introduction. In these 4 weeks of the internship, it's my gratitude to learn about different software systems under such a great and helping nature mentors, mainly IoT embedded system, C programming, C++ programming languages are learning and using that run the different project. In this step, nothing, there is a 1 month project. We learn the topics C program, C++, embedded system programming. That's it. Come to the next point. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things describes physical objects with the sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet or other communication networks. The meaning of this step is mm, for a let's take the example Wi-Fi. We can connect two devices with the Wi-Fi. Let's take example TV and phone. This is one example. Mm, Bluetooth and phone. This is also another example. And other smart watches, smart TVs. These are all the examples which are connected one device by another. The advantages of this IoT is improvement of productivity, low cost. The cost of the product is very low. Improve customer services, save effort and time. Embedded systems. Embedded systems is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function. In short, it is a combination of processor, computer memory, and input peripheral devices. For many embedded systems, C and C++ will best choice. The meaning of this step is embedded system is similar to C and C++ languages, and it is the combination of hardware and software for performing a specific function. Here so many features are there. Refer to embedded systems. One is industrial robots, GPS receivers, digital cameras, DVD players, wireless routers, set-top boxes, and some photocopies, microwave ovens. These are all comes under the embedded systems. Now comes the C and C++ programming. C language is the middle level language. We know that very well. Comes to this, it is a program language which has been used for game programming and software engineering, data structures, operating and applications, etc. This is the why we use language for these softwares. There are 4 data types in C programming. The 4 data types are: first one integer, second one character, third one floating, fourth one double floating. In this, the numbers, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these all are comes under integers, and characters means alphabets A, B, C, D, num, num1, num2, and these all are comes under characters. Float means the decimal points, which is 1.1, 2.1, 3.1, 4.1, 6.1, and these all are comes under floating. Double floating means storage, extra storage. Integer is 2 bytes, character is 1 byte, float is 4 bytes, and double float is 8 bytes. Here we use specific formats for specific functions. For example, integer we use percentage %d, For character we use percentage %c. For float we use percentage %f. For double float we use percentage %lf. Here character integer are subdivided into signed and unsigned. Here see type, size, bits and bytes. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. And range. Character is 8 bits, that means 1 byte equal to 8 bits, and this is ranging from -128 to 127. For unsigned character 8 bits and 1 byte, this is ranging from 0 to 255. For integer it is 16 bits, that means 2 bytes, and range is 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. And unsigned int, this is also 16 bits and 2 bytes, but range is 0 to 2 power 16 minus 1. Short int, this is 8 bits, that means 1 byte, and ranging from -128 to 127, which is similar to character. Long int, that means 32 bits, 4 bytes, which is ranging from -2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. Unsigned long int, that means 32 bits, 4 bytes, range is 0 to 2 power 32 minus 1. Float also 32 bits and 4 bytes, which is similar to unsigned long int or long int, and this range is 3.4 e underscore 38 to minus 38 plus to 3.4 e plus 38. Double, which is more storage, 64 bits and 8 bytes, this is it takes more memory, 1.7 e minus 308 to 1.7 e plus 308. Long double, it's also so much storage, 80 bits to 10 bytes, 3.4 e minus 4932 to 1.1 e plus 4932. Here we have to memorize 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Let's go to another topic. This is the simple program, which means hello world program. If you run this program, the output is will come hello world. I will explain these terms. Here hash include stdio.h, this is the header file, and here int main. There are two types, void main or int main. Int main is the main function, and this flower braces will open. We have to type the body of the program inside this flower braces, and here we have to use character, int, world, float, double float. That means we are writing simple program means hello world. We have write printf hello world. It's simple, simple to write. Here comes to here /n means new line. That means we have to print 2 lines one after one. We use this /n. Here return 0. Here we have to know that when we use int main, we have to put return 0. When we use void main, it return 0 is no need. Okay. These are the project requirements and applications. First one, Arduino IDE. All of you know the full form of IDE, which means Arduino Integrated Development Environment. Because by using Arduino, we develop so many things. As I tell in past, refrigerator, this all also comes under the Arduino. So this is very helpful for us. Next one is picsimlab. Picsimlab means the standard of PIC is Program Integrated Circuit. Simulator Lab. It supports the microcontrollers. There are so many types: PicSim, Sim AVR, UC Sim, etc. It was integrated with MPL ABX or Arduino IDE microcontroller boards. All of you to understood these picsimlab are not used in industries because these are so sensitive and breakable wires. The connections are very loose. This is the reason why this picsimlab not used in industries. Let's come to the another topic. These are also another two applications we need by the purpose of this project. One is serial port emulator. It is an software not software application, and this is way slower than the USB because USB stores 12 megabytes, but the serial port emulator stores 150 kilobytes. This is the information about serial port emulator. Come to the next, Blink IoT application. By using this application, this is alternate to picsimlab. By we have to use either picsimlab or Blink IoT application. This means these are used to create HML. HML stands for Human Machine Interference. And the application of the Blink IoT is Arduino smartphones, and mostly this application is used in Arduino smartphones. Comes to the next. Now comes to the project. In this home automation project, we use Arduino IDE, picsimlab simulator, and Blink Arduino application. That means we have used these two, picsimulator and Blink Arduino application. This home automation project contains measurement of temperature, indication, odd water level, and control garden lights. Means by the purpose of project is we have measured the temperature and water level, and this water level is in it indicates control garden lights. First we start with Arduino IDE to implement the code of various sensors, which means we use this Arduino code by using different types of sensors, and we have various codes which we require in this project. After implementation of the code, we need software so we can run code and get output of the code. So using picsimlab we get the output. We used serial port simulator which connects Arduino IDE and picsimlab. I explained serial port simulator, which because it stores the data. Comes to the next. We use Blink Arduino application in our smartphone to remotely control our project according to the user. We also get notified via Blink application, which means by using Blink Arduino application we can control the smartphone. That's it. And this is the code of our project. We implemented this code according to the step by step. Here we can see this code. Here see, the title of this is home automation using Blink, and description is to control light brightness with brightness monitor, temperature, monitor water level in the tank through Blink app, and peripherals, Arduino UNO, temperature system, LED, LDR module, serial tank, Blink cloud, Blink app. And these terms means Arduino UNO, temperature system, LED, and these terms are we'll talk about these terms. Next slide. This is the how we implemented the program. This is the component we used in the for puffing our project. First one is ETHW5500, which means Ethernet module. The use of this component is to connect the internet, and it supports to 8 sockets simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a time. At a time it supports 8 sockets, and the cost of this component is around 650, 270 to 650. And another component we use in our project is temperature system. This is notice that how much temperature and temperature variations, hot or cool. That's it. And LDR stands for light dependent resistor, and it is used to detect the light levels. In dark or low light levels, the resistance of the component is very high, and the lifetime of this component is 4.5 years. The symbol of this component is similar to resistance, but similar, just some modifications, which is around the circle and 2 arrows are indicated that. Comes to the next component, LCD H44780. It is the one type of sensor. The length of this component is 8 bits. It stores the data in CG RAM or DP RAM. It was developed in 1980 by the scientist Hitachi. It controls limited to monochrome text displays. This is the what we gathered information about this component. Comes to the next component, serial remote tank. It indicates the level of the water or overflow the water, it notifies the signal, and this device is controlled by communication protocol, and it contains several sensors. So many sensors are there. Comes to the next topic. Here we can see the output of our project. This is the main device, like CRO. Comes to the applications. Through this home automation project, we increase or decrease the room temperature according to the user comfort. For another example also we will take AC. AC also we can increase room temperature or decrease room temperature according to the our weather contains. Comes to the next point. With this help of Arduino application, when water tank is fully filled, it notifies the user. As we talk about now, serial remote tank, it will notify when it is overflow or full filled water. This is the application of the application of our application of the project. By using LDR sensors in this project, we can control our garden lights. Means by filling of water, there are different colors of lights: green, yellow, red. By the level of the water, one of the light indicated one of the level through the sensors, with the help of sensors. Finally, we conclude that the main purpose of home automation is to provide easy lifestyle via control different home applications with the help of Android application, which is easily available in smartphone. With this we can save electricity, time and money. Okay, thank you for this golden opportunity. We learned a lot from this internship, and we designed various projects in our college by using this knowledge. We are thankful to them who are giving this knowledge to us. Thank you. In PPT we observed that how we done a code of our project, but in this clip we detailedly explain how we done a home automation project by using IoT. First we can observe this. In this, first we have to open Blink IoT application by using picsimlab. See, this is the component which we observed output of our project. In this, it is the component of serial tank which is used to detect the levels of water. We use COM1 and COM7 for detection of water levels. Yes, see, COM1, COM2, COM3, COM4, COM5, COM7. These are the levels which we have to detect in our project. By using serial water tank, we can observe output of our project clearly and exactly, and we also measure temperature of our project. See, there is T equal to 27.4. It is in degrees. by conversion of kelvins we have to add 270 to the temperature of our project. By means 27.4 plus 270 is equal to 297.4 kelvins. This is the output temperature of our project. So I hope that you clearly understand our project, and